Welcome, dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 29. It's your English subject, lesson number 29. Androcles and the Lion. What is it? We will see. It's lesson number 29. Androcles and the Lion. First, I will read this lesson one by one paragraph and then explain one by one paragraph. Okay? Now I will read it. Long, long ago, there lived a kind, gentle, and courteous man called Androcles. But he had a very cruel master. In those days, kings, nobles, and other wealthy men used poor people as their slaves. Now, what is slave? Slave means a person who is legally owned by someone else and has to work for them. Means gulam. Okay. Androcles was a slave. The slaves were forced to work for their masters. They had to do what their masters told them. They had no freedom, no rights. Even when they were unhappy with their master, they could not leave him. They were bounded by a law to obey their master, however weak he might be. Now look here in this paragraph. Here, Androcles was a slave. As I told you, slave means a person who is legally owned by someone and work for them. And he is very kind, gentle, and courteous man. Androcles is a very kind, gentle, and courteous. Courteous means polite and respectful. Okay. He had a very cruel master. In those days, the slaves worked for their masters, and as masters told them, those slaves had no freedom and no one right to do anything. So they were bound by the law to follow the order of masters. They couldn't leave their masters even those slaves were unhappy or unsatisfied. मीन्स अगर अपने मास्टर के साथ वो अनहैप्पी भी होंगी तो भी वो उनको छोड़ नहीं सकते थे. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. हियर इज Androcles did not like his weak master. His master starved his slaves and often whipped them. Androcles felt that even death was better than serving such a master. He kept looking out for a good opportunity. At the first chance he got, he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. What is here? Here we can see that Androcles didn't like to his master. He felt that death is better than the serving this master. Okay. So he found a good opportunity to escape from these clutches. Now, and then he got this opportunity. Okay. And he got this opportunity and he tried to escape from that place. Then third paragraph. Now although Androcles has thus run away, he was not a coward. He took shelter in a forest. He was not afraid of the wild beasts that roamed the forest. He did not mind that he had no roof over his head. He was happy that he was free as a bird to go wherever he wished. So look here in this paragraph, Androcles was successful to run away. He is very brave person, so he took shelter in a forest. He wasn't afraid to wild animals and didn't thought about roof. Okay, now here is beast. Beast means wild animals. Okay, so here he was very happy. Why? Because he was a free as a bird, and in the forest there were no one master to give orders here. He's a free person as a bird. Okay, so here is a one word, coward. Coward means a person who has no courage. Okay, so we will see next paragraph. One day, as he was wandering in the forest, he suddenly came face to face with a lion. His first reaction was to turn and flee. Flee means to escape by running away. But then he saw that the lion had not moved on seeing him. It neither growled nor roared. In fact, it looked at him preciously as if it was in a great pain. Cautiously means very carefully. Okay, so look here. Here is spaciously also. So spaciously means in a way that causes you feel pity. Okay, now look here. This paragraph, Androcles was wandering the forest. At that time, he saw a lion which couldn't move. This lion neither growled or nor roared. So the Androcles wants to know what's the matter about this lion. Lion looked piteously at Androcles. Piteously means in a way that causes you feel pity. Okay, and Androcles was wants to help this lion. It was wounded and it was in a great pain. Okay, this lion is wounded. Here, next paragraph. Androcles paused, then he moved very cautiously towards the lion, step by step. Cautiously, as I told you, very carefully. The lion moaned and whimpered. Please help me, its eyes seemed to say. Now, here, the lion wants to help of this Androcles. Okay, here, when Androcles drew near, the lion lowered its head and began to lick its paw. Then Androcles saw that the lion's paw was wounded, sore, and swollen. On a closer look, Androcles noticed that a big thorn had pierced one of the lion's toes. So this is the cause of the lion's distress, thought Androcles. Now, here is distress. Distress means sorrow or suffering or a pain. Okay, so in this paragraph we can see here that Androcles went towards lion very carefully. That time lion moan. Moan means to make a long low sound of pain. And whimper. Whimper means make frightened sound. As the lion's eyes told, please help me, to Androcles. Okay, then Androcles went near to the lion and lion began to lick its paw. Androcles saw that it had wounded and sore and swollen paw. Sore means painful and uncomfortable because of injury. Sore means painful and uncomfortable because of injury. Okay, so Androcles looked closely. Then he noticed a big thorn had pierced one of the lion's toes, and it was the cause of lion's pain. Okay, here is lion is wounded and he wants help of Androcles. And Androcles also try to do help of this lion. Okay, we will see next paragraph. Here, summoning up all his courage, Androcles stretched his hand slowly towards the injured paw. He was afraid that the lion would attack him if he touched its swollen paw, but the lion seemed to understand his good intention. Okay, now Here in this paragraph, Androcles tries to be brave and stretch his hand towards the injured paw of lion. And he touched lion's paw with afraiding that the lion would attack him. He is afraid that lion would attack me. So he is very afraid. But lion also understand that the good intention of Androcles. Okay, now next paragraph. Androcles took the paw in his left hand. Deftly, he pulled out the thorn. Then, tearing a piece of his own clothing, the kind man bound up the lion's injured paw. To his surprise and wonder, the lion then licked his arm as if to show gratitude. What is here? Here, Androcles deftly means skillfully and quickly put out the thorn of the lion's paw. Then he bound up the lion's paw by tearing a piece of his own clothing. मीन्स अपने जो खुद के कपड़े थे उसमें से एक टुकड़ा जो था उन्होंने वहाँ पे फाड़ के उस लायन के पैर को बांधा है. द लायन ऑल्सो लिक्ड हिज आर्म टू शो ग्रैटिट्यूड टूवर्ड्स द एंड्रोकल्स. जैसे हमें कोई मदद करता है तो हम उसके लिए अपना सर झुका के थैंक यू बोलते हैं, वैसे ही वहाँ पे लायन ने क्या किया है? द लायन ऑल्सो लिक हिज आर्म, ओके, टू शो द ग्रैटिट्यूड टूवर्ड्स एंड्रोकल्स. Now, Androcles remained with the lion till it could walk again. He would hunt in the forest and share his food with the helpless beast. Every day he would clean and dress the lion's wound. Soon the lion was able to move about many times. It followed Androcles wherever he went. Look here. Here Androcles lived with the lion till it could walk again. Okay. Every day he clean and dress lion's wound. Okay. Then lion felt better and lion was able to move. Then the lion followed to Androcles wherever he went. Means जहाँ भी Androcles जाता था तो लायन उसके पीछे पीछे जाता था. लेकिन एंड्रोकल्स जब तक वो ठीक नहीं होता तब तक वहीं पे रुका था. थोड़ी देर बाद, मतलब थोड़े दिनों बाद लायन क्या हुआ? अच्छा होता गया और वो उसके पीछे ही जाता था, एंड्रोकल्स के पीछे. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ इज हियर. इन द मीनवाइल एंड्रोकल्स मास्टर हैड कंप्लेन्ड टू द अथॉरिटीज that his slave Androcles had run away. Soldiers were sent in all directions to capture Androcles. They searched for him high and low but couldn't find him. At last, they came to the forest where Androcles lived. Now here is capture word. Capture means to take someone prisoner. And then high and low. High and low means everywhere. The soldiers searched the Androcles everywhere but couldn't find him. Okay, here Androcles master complained against him to the authorities that Androcles run away, and soldiers also tried to capture him but he couldn't find them. After that, they went to the forest where Androcles lived with lion. Okay, next paragraph. It so happened that Androcles had gone out alone that day while the lion rested near the cave. Both of them fell into the hands of the soldiers. The soldiers took them back to the city. They put Androcles in chains in a prison. The lion was caged. What is here? here in those days, if any person do any serious crime, okay, that time the soldiers capture them and give a punishment. Like that, here soldiers came to the forest. They took Androcles and the lion to the city and then put the Androcles in prison and the lion in cage. Okay, here soldiers took them both. जो सोल्जर्स आए थे उन्होंने दोनों को पकड़ लिया, एंड्रोकल्स एंड द लायन ऑल्सो, एंड देन दे टुक देम बैक टू द सिटी, और उनको शहर लेके गए. एंड्रोकल्स को प्रिजन में डाल दिया और लायन को केज में. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. इन दोज डे पीपल हु वे फाउंड टू बी गिल्टी of a serious crime were fed to wild beasts as punishment. Running away from one's master was a very serious crime at that time. Therefore, Androcles too was to be thrown to the wild beasts. Look here. As I told you, in those days, if any person do any serious crime, they were fed to wild beasts. Wild beasts means wild animal. एज पनिशमेंट. उनको क्या किया जाता था पनिशमेंट के तौर पे? उस पर्सन को, किसी वाइल्ड बीस्ट को आगे रखा जाता था, मतलब वो खा लेंगे उनको, ऐसे पनिशमेंट उनको दी जाती थी. एंड एंड्रोकल्स क्राइम वॉज रियरली सीरियस. यस और नॉट? एंड्रोकल्स क्राइम इज ऑल्सो सीरियस. सो ही टू वॉज थ्रोन टू द वाइल्ड बीस्ट. उसको भी उस वाइल्ड बीस्ट के आगे वहाँ पे भेजा गया था. ऑन द अपॉइंटेड डे द एम्परर अराइव्ड एट द सर्कस एंड टुक हिज प्लेस. द crowds cheered loudly. The trumpeters blew the trumpet and Androcles was brought into the arena. His chains were unbound. He felt weak and dismayed. He was certain that this was the last day of his life. Okay, now here is circus. Circus means a stadium. Okay, and the new word is arena. Arena means a place where sports, entertainment or other public events take place. After that, here is a one again new word, dismay. Dismay means worried, sad or disappointed. Okay, dismayed means worried or sad. So in this paragraph, at the appointed day, the emperor, crowd and trumpeters were present at the circus. उस स्टेडियम में वो सब पहुंच जाते हैं. And Androcles was brought into the arena. Arena means the place where sports, entertainment or other public events takes place. Okay, so Androcles was brought into the arena, and after that, here Androcles felt sad because he thought that it was the last day of his life. Okay, now we'll see what happened next. At the opposite end, a gate was raised and a ferocious lion was released into the arena. It had been kept hungry to make it more ferocious. Androcles was filled with fear, but he put up a brave front. Okay, now here ferocious means fierce and violent. Ferocious, the line is ferocious means fierce and violent, and the Androcles put up a brave front. Put up a brave front means to show everyone by your behavior that you are not frightened, and Androcles also do that. He showed that he was not frightened. Okay, so here when the lion released into arena, it was angry. Okay, so into the arena, the lion released into the arena and it's violent. Okay, Why it was ferocious? Because it was hungry. But Androcles show to face the lion bravely. Okay, so next paragraph. The lion saw Androcles and rushed towards him, bounding and roaring. But suddenly it stopped in its tracks. Then it moved slowly forward. All its rage seemed to have melted. Androcles saw this too. Each friend recognized the other. Okay, now here rage. Rage means extreme or violent anger. Okay, when the lion released to the arena, it was angry. But the lion saw Androcles and it moved slowly towards Androcles. Why it moved slowly towards Androcles? Because the lion remembered that this is the person who recovered me when I was in a pain. So, lions all rage means violent anger, seem to have melted. ऐसे दिख रहा था कि उसका गुस्सा क्या हो गया था, मेल्ट हो गया था, पिघल गया था. एंड देन एंड्राकल्स आल्सो रिकॉग्नाइज दैट लायन, वो भी उस लायन को पहचान जाता है. एंड्राकल्स आल्सो रिकॉग्नाइज दिस लायन. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. To everyone's amazement, the lion bounded towards Androcles again, but when it reached him, it began to purr and rub its nose against him. Androcles hugged the lion. He wept with relief and joy. What is here? Here everyone amazed that how the lion purr or rub its nose against Androcles, and how Androcles also hugged the lion. Here Androcles felt relief and joy. In this paragraph we can see that Androcles feel relief and joy. Okay. The next paragraph. The audience, including the emperor, watched this tender sight in a great wonder. People began to cheer Androcles and ask for his release. The emperor asked Androcles to explain the lion's strange behavior. When he heard the whole story, the emperor was also moved by the gratitude and friendship between man and beast. He ordered that Androcles should be set free. He would no longer be a slave. When the emperor asked Androcles what other reward he would like, Androcles replied that he did not want anything for himself, but he wanted the lion to be set free too. The two friends went back to the forest to live a free life. Now here in these paragraphs, emperor and public asked the Androcles for his release. Emperor wants that the Androcles explain the lion's strange behavior. Emperor wants that the Androcles explain it, why the lions behave like that. Then Androcles was told all story of them. And that time emperor also moved by gratitude and friendship between man and beast. And then emperor ordered to release Androcles. And when Androcles asking the other reward to Androcles, he replied that he didn't want anything for himself but set free the lion too. वो बोला कि मुझे तो कुछ नहीं चाहिए और लेकिन जैसे मुझे रिलीज किया है वैसे ही लायन को भी रिलीज कर दो, फ्री कर दो. ओके. एट द लास्ट Androcles and lion went to the forest to live a free life. दोनों को जब रिलीज मिलती है, दोनों जब फ्री होते हैं तो दोनों फ्रेंड्स कहाँ जाते हैं? दे वेंट बैक. वो फिर से फॉरेस्ट में फ्री लाइफ जीने के लिए निकल जाते हैं. आई होप यू like this story. Okay, So today we have learnt about the kindness of Androcles. Then we have seen that how Androcles and lion became friends. Okay, so your homework is write questions answers which are given below the lesson. Thank you. Bye.